Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. So we will be continuing the first book, uhhibu arabiyyah, and today we will be doing lesson number 3. The third lesson is الحظيرة, which means in the barn. As you can see, teacher Sharifa and her students are all in the barn. So let's learn the animals which we can find in the barn. So on the next page you have some vocabulary. So let's go through each one of them. The first one is qafas, which means a cage. Deek, which means a cock. Arnab, which means a rabbit. Asfura, which means a bird. Kharoof, which means a sheep. Batta, which means a duck. Dajaja, which means a hen. And auza, which means goose. So when you look at the next page, you will find some vocabularies. So this is actually هذا خروف, which means this is a sheep. هذا عصفورة, which means this is a bird. هذا ديك, which means this is a cock. هذا أوزة, which means this is a goose. هذا أرنب, which means this is a rabbit. هذه دجاجة, which means this is a hen. هذه بطة, which means this is a duck. Now let's learn the new words. قفص, which means a cage. عصفورة, which means a bird. ديك, which means a cock. دجاجة, which means a hen. خروف, which means a sheep. Arnab, which means a rabbit, and batta, which is a duck. Now let's learn about هذا and هذه. هذا and هذه means this is. So what's the difference? هذا is used for masculine words and هذه for feminine words. Kids, I hope you enjoyed learning this lesson with me. Stay tuned for future lessons. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, see you guys.